Hello everybody and welcome back to another tornado siren test. Today is August 5th, 2023. We are here at Walter E. Scott Community School in Flint, Michigan. We got a Federal Signal 2001 tornado siren here. Enough said, let's just get to the test. 12:58 p.m. So we'll talk more once the test is over. Here we go. All right, take my headphones off now. There you guys have it. The August 2023 monthly edition of Tornado Siren Test here at the Walter E. Community School here in Flint, Michigan. Located up here in Averill Roads. Right here, I did not even notice there was a siren here because I passed this road earlier as I was doing some train filming around here, and I didn't even notice that there was a siren here. Fortunately, there is, because I wanted to be closer to the railroad tracks. I had another place in mind that I was going to go. I was actually going to go to Whaley Park, but I decided, you know what, let me see if I can find something real quick closer to where I was at. And sure enough, this one was just a 3-minute drive away. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. That's the August 2023 monthly tornado siren test. It's a Federal Signal 2001, very nice. This is the first siren test I've recorded here in Genesee County, in the county seat as well. The county seat is Flint. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys next month for another tornado siren test. See you guys then.